So today is another project, Justin's 240SX S14. We are going with a GTX2871 and a ISR V3 exhaust turbo manifold. It'll be a nice little upgrade. It's still a stock SR. It will give us good spool time and plenty of power availability. Now he's only looking for about 300 horsepower. Get the job done very nicely. Let's hop into it and get this old turbo off. Alright, so we got the turbo out. Now Justin, what are you doing here?
I am replacing the studs in the head as they are notorious for snapping. So it's a good idea when your turbo's off to actually replace these studs. I've had them actually break in the past, and then for an entire set of these studs from Nissan, it's 30 bucks, and it's worth the headache saving for later. I promise.
Well, Justin had some problems getting this turbo in. Thanks to the master here, I got it in for him. And look how pretty.
Ian's car kept breaking.
Say what?
The only reason you're good at it is because Ian's car kept breaking. You had to pull it off all the time.
We had a bigger turbo and a better manifold, but it's okay because I love him. You, my friend. This Mr. Sexy Bearded Bastard.
Hey, that's actually the V3 manifold. It's actually made out of Schedule 40, so it's pretty fucking tough.
It is, it's very tough. This is the ISR V3 Garrett GTX2871. It's gonna be a fun little setup. It'll be nice and responsive and make some good ass power.
Alright, so if you're familiar with SRs, they tend to vibrate their turbos off of their manifolds. And also the manifold bolts to the head tend to come loose. So these little handy things, they're called Nordlocks. They are some really nice locking washers, and they actually prevent that from happening. So if you have some spare change to spend, I recommend buying some.
So that'll be it for tonight. I have to get to work in the morning, so we'll continue this on later. Day 2. Justin's already over here working. He worked on cars all day. Now he's home working on cars again. Yay.
Yeah.
How was your day, Justin?
Exhausting.
What did you do?
I did 2 long blocks and then some other bullshit out of the basket.
Sounds like not a lot of fun.
No.
So what have you gotten done since I haven't been here?
I've got the turbo tightened down. Now I'm just tightening feed lines.
Well, looks like you're about done. You excited?
Sure. Excited about what? Finishing my car or working?
Are you excited about finishing the car?
Yeah. I'm still waiting on a lot of parts though.
That's true. Like I said, we have a lot more to do on this thing. So once we get the new ECU and harness in, we're gonna tear it all back apart. We have an entire fuel system to do. So there'll be plenty more content to come with this car. Look at that pro stance right there. Nice flat back. Hey, this boy's been doing it for a while. Did you get it?
No.
Why?
God damn it, Cletus, don't make me get the hose.
I see what you did wrong.
What?
Got them dick beaters too big.
Yeah.
Justin. There's a camera on you. Take things and crop them. No. So, quick update. We had to go on a air filter adventure, but we got a new air filter. Justin is cleaning up the outlet elbow from the turbo right now. So, this is what we got. Canon air filter from Napa. Other than that, I mean, this is basically what it's going to look like when it's done. So I'm ready to see this thing drive. We gotta wait for a few more things, but that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed.